I'm Jonny, this is my Honda CRX. Car's purpose, it's just a show car now. I used to drive it every day, and then the more and more I did things to it, and the more money that went in it, I just decided to use it just as a show car, and that's all it is now. People appreciate it, that makes me happy, that keeps the dream going. So yeah, it's just a show car now. And biggest difficulties, well, everything's been kind of straightforward, adapting bits, but things have been done already, like the engine swap. It's been done thousands of times, but it's just knowing who to ask and ordering the right parts from the right places. I'm proud that I've done everything myself, apart from the exhaust, because that's just a work of art itself. Yeah, everything I've done on the car fitted myself, or painted it myself. So yeah, every time I drive it, especially on the motorway, you're always getting thumbs up, people hanging out the window, cheering you on. You're always getting good reactions every time you drive it, which makes it more pleasurable, and you want to drive it more and more, because people like it for the right reasons. And yeah, it's just more people that see it, the better you feel about yourself, and the fact that you've done it yourself.